We are looking at how to pronounce this word that refers to a product or a service, a market or a company that appeals to a small number of people, a small percent or a small section of the population. How do you go about pronouncing this in English? There's going to be two different ways, British and American English. This is originally a word that comes from French. In French it is said niche. Therefore in British English they have adopted a similar pronunciation to the French pronunciation. You would say a niche market or a niche company. However, in American, the pronunciation is different. You would normally say a niche market or a niche company, a niche product. Otherwise, in British English, niche market, niche. Niche market, niche. In American, niche company. If you want to learn more about how to pronounce hard words to say, here are more videos that you may want to consider watching next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of pronunciation. Au revoir.